Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming displays and opening the two windows you want to split. Once connected, set resolution so both windows fit comfortably. Make sure orientation is correct. Next, enable the system's window snap or split feature in settings. This unlocks automatic placement. You'll now place the first window, drag to the left, or use the snap shortcut. Do it confidently because this first placement determines the split frame. Once placed, pause before continuing to the next window. Now you place the second window into the remaining space. Use drag to edge or the keyboard shortcut to snap it opposite the first. Once done, the system's Snap Assist may offer thumbnails. Pick one to save time. After both are present, adjust the divider. Click and drag to set exact proportions, making sure important UI elements remain visible. If an app won't snap, try restoring and maximizing first. Sometimes a quick minimize restore fixes snapping behavior, allowing you to finish the split cleanly. Finish by testing the split. Click in each pane to confirm input focus and keyboard behavior. If your OS supports saved workspaces, save this layout to restore later. This avoids repeating steps. Make sure apps resize correctly and controls aren't off-screen. If something goes wrong, try restarting the window manager or toggling the snap feature off and on. This resolves most stuck window issues. If a particular app still resists, close and reopen it. Then reapply the snap. This almost always fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.